This video explains how to buy shares of AROW Financial Corporation, a regional bank holding company. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AROW, and this is educational information, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you must verify your account with identification and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AROW to locate the company. Confirm you select AROW Financial Corporation from the search results. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade settles. Find the example eToro link in the description if you want to follow along.